introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Samson Boto. I'm the teacher of this school. Yes, I'm the teacher of Nyangeja Primary School, and we are happy to receive you here this morning. The school has got several challenges, which according to me, I feel your group, the dignity.cat, can come in so that we are assisted to come up with these challenges. So one of the major challenges we have is inadequate teachers. Those who are employed by the TSC are not enough and therefore cannot give us the result we want. Teachers also need to be motivated. The few who are in the system should be motivated so that they can do a good job to uplift the standards of the school. As you can also see, the office where I sit on is not what being called an office. So the school needs a good infrastructure so that learning can be promoted. We also need other programs, the internship program, whereby we can link with some schools outside the country so that we can exchange the ideas. That is very important. The sporting in this region can also help the learners. Those who cannot excel in school can as well do well in the field. So if that one can be done, I think we can really uplift the school and the community at large.
So then what as per now, what are the priorities for this school?
Yeah, the priorities I have, the first one is employment of more teachers because of inadequacy. Then number two, motivation of teachers.
And number three?
Number three, the infrastructure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.